0 to $1,000 in 7 days. The world's easiest side hustle. The power of one simple idea. Dear friend, years ago, two friends sat in a cozy cafe sipping coffee and sharing their dreams. Both were creative, ambitious, and eager to leave their 9-to-5 grind behind. They wanted more time for family, freedom to travel, and the thrill of building something their own. They were discussing a side hustle idea they stumbled upon. An idea so simple yet powerful, it could change everything. But while leaving the cafe, both friends had an entirely different mindset. Ignoring the idea, one friend got busy in his daily routine, while another got serious about it, and silently and patiently put in a couple of hours daily to pursue that side hustle. Fast forward to today. The first friend is still struggling to keep up with bills, his creativity buried under the stress of day-to-day survival. And would you like to know about the other? He is living the dream life, earning thousands every month with minimal effort and enjoying a life of freedom. One thing that made the difference? Curious to know what made the difference? It wasn't degree or skill or luck. Not even hard work. There's only one game-changing difference. It was a secret system, a simple blueprint that turned creative passion into a steady income stream. I'm about to reveal this system today. This system forms the core of this side hustle, a system that works better and faster than ever, thanks to the incredible power of Canva and AI. So, if you want to buy this amazing product, then visit my bio. What is 0 to $1,000 in 7 days? No, my friend. This isn't just another online money-making program you see every other day. It's a legit side hustle that takes your hand from day 1 to day 7 and guides you step by step. In just 1 week, you'll learn how to create stunning Canva templates. Even if your current design skills are, I drew a sun with sunglasses in kindergarten. Package them into irresistible offers that make your audience drool. Sell them to people who can't click buy now fast enough. And automate the whole shebang so you can kick back and watch the cash roll in while you binge watch your favorite series. And here's the cherry on top. You don't need to spend nights for months to see results. No graphic skills are needed. No experience is required. No fancy tools. No burden of social media posting. You just need this blueprint and the willingness to roll up your sleeves for 7 days. It's the world's easiest side hustle, even if you don't know about Canva and don't know how to draw a line. Let me tell you a little secret. Now, I know what you're thinking, but I'm not creative. I can barely draw stick figures. Guess what? Neither can I. Stick figures are overrated anyway. With Canva and this blueprint, you don't need artistic skills. You just follow the step-by-step system, and boom, you're in business. So, dear friend, if you want to buy this amazing product, then visit my bio. Oh, is it rough? Thank you.